Cybertruck attempts to pull out a Duramax stuck in snow in Saskatoon. While Cybertruck was trying to pull the Duramax, the strap they used got ripped off. Strangely, they used a chintzy ratchet strap meant to hold 300 pounds of cargo versus a Duramax that weighs close to 10,000 pounds. Firstly, the Duramax shouldn't be stuck in 4 inches of snow, maybe by some winter tires. Both the trucks are 4-wheel drive and the rear tires on both the truck are spinning in the snow. This Dodge must have summer tires on because there is no way it gets stuck in virtually no snow. The fact that both of them are spinning in a parking lot with a tiny bit of snow is reason for both owners to learn their winter driving lessons. Clearly Buddy in the Duramax is either borrowing that truck and has no idea how to use it, or just not smart enough.